Welcome back to another video. Happy to have you here. My name is Blake. This is Merch Campus, a channel all about merch by Amazon, strategies and tactics to take our accounts to the next level. I'm very excited that you're here. So today I'm going to go into a video that's all about keywords and some of my top methods to find great keywords. Before we crack into that, I just want to go over what the top selling shirts are and then a couple warning messages to people who are kind of scanning the top selling shirts and thinking of jumping into these trends. The top 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, those are still Halloween, right? So it's slowing down. The holiday is pretty much over now. But right under that, WKRP, first annual turkey drop, is crushing it with the sales. I believe it just came online. You're going to see actually this already starting to trend, WKRP. And let me just tell you, first things first, it is a TV show. And now you know that we want to stay clear of media, music, movies, TV, because we just don't own that IP. So how can we make shirts and benefit off that brand, right? Now, as I scroll down to just kind of check things out, I noticed that here we have Hallmark Christmas movies. We don't have the IP for that, right? It's a trademark term. You click on it, there are dogs. Dogs mean the product got taken down, okay? So let's not do that. You're going to be like, but thousands of shirts are up there with a Hallmark on it. Do it if you want, but you'll probably get taken down. So scroll down a bit further. Here, you see another WKRP. See, it's a trend, it's coming. Just keep in mind, it is a TV show. All right, I kept scrolling down a bit more just to see what's selling. Here, Whisper Words of Wisdom, Let It Be. It's the lyrics, it's the music lyrics. So you click on it, dogs. Right? Isn't it amazing out of these top 100 that a bunch of these are just gone because they're trademark infringements? And the heavier the infringement, the more weight it goes against your account, right? So that's why accounts are getting banned. And I'm going to show you here now. We're here in Merch Informer. We just search the t-shirts, right? So these are all merch shirts. I'm going to sort it by recently added. Newest arrivals that were put up recently within the last week or so that are already making sales, right? So now you can see already WKRP, 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 let it be. That's what was infringing, right? Try not to infringe. You can notice when people are trying to get away with something that they're not allowed to, is that here, see they got like pluses, underscores, hyphens, where they're stringing together the keywords but with dashes. So that's an infringement. Here you go. My Patronus is a Tigger. It's two infringing. There's Harry Potter and Winnie the Pooh. You see pluses, underscores, hyphens, and also pricing it in a similar sense with the 86, so you know it's the same person. This person will get their account banned eventually. I hope that we don't do the same and we're a bit more careful with it. That was my little rant about being safe with your accounts because we're entering a huge sales volume season, November, December. So let's dig into some awesome keyword techniques. First things first, I'll go through a bunch. But the first things first will be Merch Informer. So down here, keyword finder, search. Now we can use this to scrape keywords if we're trying to enter the UK or Germany as well. So immediately it's giving you kind of like hot keywords, right? I'm not sure where they're drawing this from, but if you start to type into it, it does spit out some cool niches, right? Animal shirts, anime shirts, anemone, astronaut, astronomy, atheist, right? These are all cool niche ideas to get into. So if you ever strap for ideas, you just do that. And just go through the alphabet, right? Funny cat, frog, G. Okay, so that's the first tip. You just get some cool niche ideas. The next thing I like to do, let's say you write I love, okay? And we're gonna search that in the US. And since it takes a bit of time, we can do it with Germany as well. So I did this basically for Germany. It gives you back strings of keywords that from the Amazon.de site people are searching. So it's validated data of what the customer is looking for. Instead of going in blind, we can just use this tool, right, to give us some great keyword data. So now it's giving us from Germany 70 keywords. Now remember, with all these things, and it goes back to my earlier message, do your trademark checks, do your copyright checks. This is like number one way your account will get banned if you don't do that. So I love the 90s, I love anime, I love bacon, I love basketball, I love beer, I love Berlin. So all of these are great keywords. So what I like to do is I actually like to download it and I'll show you later what I do. I did this for I Love Berlin, so I did one for every one here, right? And then within a few days, I sold a shirt, this one, I Love Berlin shirt, because I'm entering Germany without guessing what people are looking for, right? This one, of course, it's the United States, much more data. People use Amazon a lot more, and it'll give you a great sense of niches that people are passionate about that we can create shirts for. That was my first thing that I love to use. What I like to do as well with this, I'm gonna download this. And I open the CSV. So now this is going to bring me to the next topic. This is a Chrome extension I use to scrape keyword volume. So let's say I just grab all these. So what I'm going to do now is go to this extension, Keywords Everywhere. This is the extension. I'm going to import keywords. I'm just going to import that. Get metrics. Now the great thing about this tool, I sort by search volume, right? Because now instead of just guessing, I get to focus in on exactly what are the most high volume keywords. So now you can get some really great juicy stuff. Anything under 0, I'll just avoid. It helps you to save time because you're focusing on the keywords that count. Another cool way that this has application is when you're actually in Amazon. I know a lot of people are asking, you have the keyword volume there. It's scraping it from Google, but I like to use it anyways. If people are searching this on Google and they have high monthly search volume, it's pretty indicative that it's going to be the same here, right? I love to do that. And now the next thing I like to do, this is awesome, keywordtool.io, and you want to click Amazon. Here it gets the great keywords using the Amazon autocomplete. So in light of the upcoming Christmas, I was thinking we could do some Christmas themed one, and I had actually already did this prior, like a few weeks ago, because I was trying to collect some good keywords for Christmas. What I like to do is, that's what I did it wrong, Christmas shirts for. If you go to keyword suggestions, see how it's pulling up all this very specific targeted stuff. All right, so I download that, import keywords. All right, sort by search volume. This is kind of like what I'm looking for. When I'm thinking to build my listing and what kind of people to target, I grab from Amazon Christmas shirts for, and then I cross-reference it with how much search volume customers are searching for, right? But check this out. Christmas vacation quote shirt. How specific is this keyword? It's quite specific. We're having validated data given to us right here. So now what I'm going to do as well, show you another keyword method I use. Etsy has just so much traffic as well. If you just click there, it'll give you examples of things that are trending. Now I typed this earlier, and because there's so much data, it's constantly switching. And then just a few minutes ago I typed this, and this came up, family matching. Already, if you just press search just for family matching, nothing else, you'll get a sense of what is selling. A lot of it is Christmas themed. Look at this, cousin crew, elf, Santa baby, Santa dad, right? Press space, and then you have kind of specific keywords that people are looking for. People are looking for family matching Christmas shirts, right? People looking for family matching pajamas, family matching outfits. Before I enter a niche or a holiday, I try to get the best keywords. Now, let me show you here. I basically grabbed, based on the keyword volume, and this is all from Amazon, keywords that I'm gonna target and approach. When I'm building my listings, I have different templates for different kind of groups. If I'm doing Christmas designs for boys, I basically have specific keywords that I'm going to be plugging in there, right? So I would do things like for grandson, 5-year-old boy, 7-year-old, things like nephew. Pick and choose based on that template. And then once I have a few good, strong keywords, I will use that in that demographic. So for example, are you excited to put up tree decorations, lights, and Christmas decor? The reason I'm including that in my listing is I'm trying to include it as relevant keywords. I'm not going to list this as strings or spamming it. Get our funny Christmas t-shirts to wear as a Christmas outfit with your family. And so I basically pick and choose and build different templates. And if I'm going for family matching, I'm going to do a different template, right? If I'm going for elder people, grandma, grandpa, retired uncles, dads, things like that, I'll go for a different template. So this is how you get ranked organically. And it's also how you can get some great keyword ideas. Yeah, the funny Christmas vacation shirt. So in this video, we talked about Merch Informer keyword tool, keywords everywhere, Chrome extension. We talked about keywordtool.io to pull raw data from Amazon, and then we cross-reference it in Keywords Everywhere to focus on the highest performing keywords based on search volume. We also focused on not infringing copyright and IP that does not belong to us, because it's the fastest way to get your account banned. All right, hopefully this was a useful video to give you some tools as we crack into November and December, where we need to keep uploading, keep putting out designs, finding great niches, building great listings with good keywords. I wish you luck, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. All right, talk soon. Bye.